back to another episode of
Make yourself at home.
with Tata and Natalie. Obviously, today my challenge is to have a blindfold on while you are cooking later, but I can write down the note.
Okay.
So what are we cooking in this episode?
Today we're making a rendang.
Rendang.
Chicken rendang. Ayam rendang.
Okay.
So basically I'm going to explain what these steps are and you're going to write down the notes, right?
Yes, I tried.
We are trying to build a paste. The paste base for the rendang, right? And I will need 2 shallots, and then we chop up 1 big red onion, 2 chili merah. You gotta make sure that you wash them and then take off their tangkai, which is the head. Then we get 3 small red chilies. We're gonna chop all these into fine pieces later, so wait.
What? Which one?
All of that. 4 garlic cloves. And then we get 1 tablespoon of ginger, 3 lemongrass, and then we get 1 galangal, about 1 tablespoon of galangal, and then you get also another tablespoon turmeric hidup. This is actually all the ingredients that you need to blend. What we're gonna do is we chop them up into smaller pieces so it's easier for us to blend, okay? You don't have to really slice them into very small pieces because the blender's gonna do that job for you. Put a little bit of water into this. I think that's done. So you leave that there for now. What you do is you want to prepare your daun kunyit. You fold it because it's such a big piece, right? And then you cut it. I just cut the leaves into very long strands. Put a little bit more oil, 1 cinnamon stick and 1 star anise. So you release that you fry that for a minute or so. So while you let that rendang boil for a bit, go for about 2 leaves. Put in, then you mix the lime leaves into the spice paste. Add in your chicken, coat everything with your rendang. You can put it on for about 5 to 7 minutes. Put in some santan, half of a can. So as that cooking, you put in 2 tablespoons kerisik, okay? 2 more tablespoons of these asam keping inside. So next up, you put this daun kunyit. Now you want to put some salt though.
Huh? Sotong?
Salt, my dear, salt. 3/4 teaspoon, half teaspoon sugar. I think it's definitely quite cooked. You stir it up a bit.
Is it done?
It's done. Okay.
Congratulations!
Congratulations!
Wow, looks so good.
Wow! 美吗？好香哦 I'm so proud.
Are you proud of yourself?
Let me hold, cause later like you make fake cuts. I cannot control your editing. That's my dish.
Ladies and gentlemen, take a look at my notes. With blindfold on, I'm surprised. It is still very neat. Chop 1 big red onion, 3 lemongrass, 1, 2. This one is 3. So which one? So is this 1 or 3?
This one.
Identity crisis. So is this 5 or 3? So far in my life, I have never used a blender before. How to use? Is it me?
Sorry, she didn't lock the blender.
Then after that, you fold the daun kunyit. Put oil, and then after that, you put the cinnamon stick. Put paste into. You don't block me. I'm trying to be serious here. Woo!
Wow, smells good.
Smells like success. And chicken. We add the santan. Just now she said half a bit, not all. Fry like that, and then salt. 3.5. 1, 2. I was supposed to put 3 tablespoons salt, and guess what? I put sugar. Just now it's supposed to be half sugar ma, so I times 3. So tablespoon of 3.5 tablespoons salt. I times 3. It's 9. I mean, I have to balance back the taste. Make yourself at home. 3. Oh, we are done! Unbelievable, amazing journey with you guys. Let me just... do I have to cook longer? Let me see the chicken.
At this point, I think you should just decide what you want to do with your dish. Taste test, you taste test. Most important. Nobody will be able to tell.
don't just settle for less. I got a bit of presentation. I want people to look at this chili and forget that it is salty. Oh my god.
Wow.
I can't wait to try yours and I can't wait for you to try mine.
I thought I tried yours, so
Okay,
wow.
we just take a bit of
okay.
here. Yeah, we try this one first. Your one
Okay.
first. The smell? Smells,
I just took
smells like
one.
rendang. Oh my god, it tastes so good. Why I follow the same thing, but
Don't worry, don't worry.
very good eh? Just now when I was cooking, right? I really can't wait to taste this. Actually, the chicken is nice. It's very tender. So if you wanna eat this one chicken wing, right? You have to eat with 1 bucket of rice to balance out.
Wow,
The
what a great
saltiness.
deal, eh?
Yeah.
You can support the rice industry.
Yep, to balance out the saltiness.
To be honest, you didn't do much. I think you wouldn't have gone this wrong if you didn't put in the 9 spoons
Right.
of sugar. 9 spoons of salt. I think that's probably about where it went wrong.
So that's all for this episode. I hope you all enjoyed my cooking and her cooking. And you can actually follow this recipe and try to make your own one at home. Try not to be like this lah, okay? Just get the measurement
worry.
right, okay?
Make yourself at home.
Yes, and let us know how it goes in the comment section down below. And we will see you in the next Make Yourself at Home. Thanks for watching this episode of Make Yourself at Home. And thank you, Digi, for helping us stay connected.